Hello and welcome from CPHI Frankfurt. I'm Kugel and I'm joined here by Andrea Boccardi, the head of business franchise at NTC Pharma. NTC Pharma is a leading R&D driven pharmaceutical company concentrating on ophthalmology, gastro, gynecology and pediatrics. And now we'll dive into this interview and get a feeling about the trends in this industry. Andrea, NTC launched the first Italian ophthalmic drug that addresses both infection prevention and post-cataract inflammation, now available in almost 50 markets, and with plans to enter over 55 more in the near future. What are the main factors behind this remarkable success, would you say?
Well, the secret is that NTC does not provide only products to its partners, but we provide a full range of services to all our partners. We support them in all the phases, pre and post-launch, from regulatory registration of the products to artwork development until the marketing and medical training to their sales force. This is, in my opinion, the secret for the success of NTC. In other words, we built our organization around customers. There are key account managers that have a centric role at NTC, and they are responsible to coordinate all the departments at NTC in order to provide solutions to partners and to support them in efficiently launch then the products in the countries where they operate.
Many pharmaceutical companies are under increasing pressure due to time-to-market challenges and regulatory complexity. So how does NTC ensure a solid future for its partners' portfolios in this context?
Well, NTC aims to anticipate potentially regulatory changes in the market. For example, if you think about the new MDR regulations, NTC has started to work on the upgrade of the technical files and all the documentation already 3 years ago in order to be ready in 2022 with a full package of documentation for the customers. And in this sense, we are ready and we completed the transition for almost all our medical devices to the new regulations. And like in medical devices, also when it comes to pharma products, we support our partner with all the requirements possible coming from the countries. And this is part again of the services that NTC provides to its partners.
And NTC often highlights the importance of identifying and addressing unmet medical needs. What initiatives does the company promote to gather insights from partners and the scientific community?
At NTC, we believe that best practices and know-how sharing is a powerful tool to engage customers and to improve their performance in the countries. In this sense, we organize every year meetings with partners and key opinion leaders in order to discuss and debate about pathologies, patients' needs, and how the portfolio of NTC products can effectively support the physicians to respond effectively to patients' needs. And again, this is an example of what means to be a partner of NTC and what type of service NTC provide to its partners.
Excellent. Thank you for this answer, Andrea. And I've seen on your website that you use the slogan growing together. So what does it mean? Is it a strategic mindset in NTC or something else? And how does it reflect in real life?
Growing together for NTC means make a journey together with its partners. This journey starts clearly from the unmet medical needs coming from the markets, and then clearly continues with the development of innovative solutions for the patients. And along this journey, clearly NTC stays beside the partners in order to support them in every phase of the launch of a product and help them to find the right solution in order to deliver the performance in the countries where the partners operate.
What are NTC Pharma's key priorities for the coming years, particularly regarding product development and market expansion?
Well, Ophthalmic represents still the major source of growth for NTC in the coming years. We successfully launched the combination levofloxacin and dexamethasone 5 years ago. Clearly we keep on investing in developing new innovative solutions in the ophthalmic space with a focus on antibiotic resistance. Ophthalmic is not the only therapeutic area where NTC is present. We are expanding also our presence in gastro. And in this sense, in gastro, we will soon start the registration process of an innovative preparation for colonoscopy. But the focus, again, also in this new therapeutic area, is to provide solutions for unmet medical needs. In terms of geographical expansion, we have a consolidated presence in Europe, but we are establishing a new interesting partnership in Middle East and in the Southeast Asian countries, while our ambition in the near future is also to enter in the US market, which, as you know, represents clearly a great opportunity for every company.
Excellent. Thank you for this interview, Andrea. It was a pleasure speaking to you. I wish you and NTC best of luck in the upcoming year.
Thanks to you, Ian. It was a pleasure meeting you, and was a pleasure to tell a little bit more about NTC to all the audience present here at the CPHI.